Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ESPP reporting using Charles Schwab detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your ESPP reporting using Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Accounts tab. From the drop-down menu, select Statements. Choose Tax Documents from the list of options. Look for the tax year you want to update and click on it. This will open your tax document for that year. Next, locate the section labeled ESPP or Employee Stock Purchase Plan. Review the information listed to ensure it is correct. If you find discrepancies, take note of the details. To make necessary updates, you may need to contact Schwab support. Locate the Contact Us link on the website for support information. Choose the best option for your inquiry, whether it's phone or chat support. Provide them with the details of the discrepancies you found. Follow the representative's instructions to resolve the issues. Once updates have been made, return to the Tax Documents section. Download the revised documents once they are available. Review the updated information carefully for accuracy. If everything looks correct, you are now ready to use the updated information for your reporting. Make sure to save a copy of your updated documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.